seatbelt securely fastened until we are parked at the gate. Pilots have turned off the seatbelt sign. That is the only indication that it'll be safe to get up. Leave your things where they are until we've reached the gate, but if your phone is close, you can take it out of airplane mode. With our baggage service guarantee, your bags will be in baggage claim within 20 minutes of our arrival at the gate, or see a baggage agent to receive a discount or miles towards a future flight. For information about connecting flights, check the monitors inside the terminal or use the Alaska Airlines mobile app. On behalf of all of us at Alaska Airlines, proud member of the One World Alliance, it has been our pleasure serving you today. During your stay in Hawaii, we encourage you to visit traveltochange.org. You'll learn about many unique opportunities to help you explore the true culture and spirit of Hawaii. That site is traveltochange.org/Alaska Era. Enjoy your time here on the islands. Mahalo and take care from your San Diego-based crew. We enjoyed having you today. Thanks so much.